recently Hanex touched a three-figure mark as a turnover. I'm sure it must be a special feeling.
Yeah, it was a fantastic feeling.
जॉइंट फैमिली का सबसे बड़ा पॉजिटिव इज दैट यू नो हाउ टू डील विद एवरी काइंड ऑफ इमोशन विद इन द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ योर फैमिली.
बहुत सारे लोग disillusioned होते हैं या फिर they have their different understanding. They feel that joint family is all about compromise or joint family is all about sacrifices, right?
And I think after COVID, I saw that a lot of paper is being used. If you observe, after COVID, the weather has become very vulnerable, more vulnerable. That is because the paper is being used at such a large scale.
Namaste Rohan. Namaste Mansi.
Namaste, ma'am.
Welcome both of you to this podcast, and I'm so very super happy to have both of you here. I think I've known you now for the past how many years? 6-7 years.
7 years.
Yeah, more than that.
Huh? More than that,
yes.
So I think this is the first time that we are going to have this kind of a conversation, and I'm delighted that both of you are here.
Yes.
Same here, man. The pleasure is all ours.
Thanks for having us.
So let's go back to your younger days. Abhi bhi young ho, but when you were in college. So both of you have a love marriage, है ना? तो थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताओ. How did you meet? Where did you meet?
We were in class. We did our MBA together from Symbiosis Hinjewadi.
Okay.
So we were in the finance class together. Basically, हमारे divisions were different, but some
both of you
classes
doing
were
the same
together.
program?
Yes,
Okay.
we did the
MBA
same
in
program.
finance.
MBA in
Yes.
finance.
Okay.
That's where we met. We had an exchange of ideas and thoughts, and we understood each other. And then there was a mutual liking which we took forward.
And who took the initiative?
Who will take the initiative?
I don't know. You never know. Times have changed, भाई. मेरे को लगा क्या पता. You took the
Yes,
initiative.
I took the initiative, but then it got rejected, and then I left the. मतलब
You left
वापस.
the whole idea.
I did not leave the whole idea, but yeah, then I was like, okay, then it's not going forward. So then, but I think in the next 10 days itself, then she took the initiative. So it's like.
Okay. फिर क्या हुआ? तुमने सोचा मना करने के बाद?
मना मैम ऐसा नहीं था कि there weren't feelings and everything, but then ठीक है. I was there for a different agenda. I said I'm here for making a career. I've come here for my studies, and there is a lot of family की expectations थी that ठीक है I have to do something, and I had my ambitions. So I told him no because I said I'm not here for all this.
So
I need to
it was
concentrate.
basically because of the, I mean, thought that it will not be accepted at the.
It
at her
may
side
or
also
may
and my
not have
side,
been
yeah.
accepted, but the fact was that there was a lot. मतलब मेरे ऊपर बहुत सारा trust डाला गया था that okay from the family. Yeah, my dad didn't want me to come to Pune because I was getting admission in a good college in Ahmedabad itself. But then I wanted to come, so he said okay, and he trusted me. So I didn't want to break that trust.
वो जो father का trust होता है ना बेटी पे, I think that is something so big in a daughter's mind कि nothing should bypass that. Nothing should be something that will lower it down.
So I didn't want to break his trust. Plus, I had my own ambitions, and I thought I was quite young for all this. I was just 19 when I joined my MBA. So I didn't want to get into a relationship that soon. But then, ठीक है, both of us knew that there is some feeling, some connection, and 10 दिन में फिर ऐसे लगा कि नहीं ठीक है, we should go ahead, we should take it slow, but yeah, I took the initiative and we went ahead with this.
And the families agreed?
Initially they didn't, yeah, because MBA का एक महीना बचा था when we told our respective families because we thought they should know. And since Rohan is elder to me, तो उसको शादी के proposals and सब भी आ रहे. Yeah, so we had to tell our families, and then they were like not okay with it. फिर थोड़ा काफ़ी सारा हमने coaxing किया. Rohan played a big role in that. And then ठीक है, because my parents liked him a lot, but both our families are very different from each other. So mine is a nuclear family and his is a joint. तो काफ़ी difference था, and that is the reason they also didn't want somebody who's from a very open background, and my parents also did not want me to go to a family which is comparatively conservative. So that is where the rift was. But then after we got together, it blended beautifully.
Love prevailed.
Yeah.
So coming from a very different background and then coming to a joint family. I mean, nuclear family and joint family. I was born and brought up in a nuclear family, and then I'm married into a joint family. So I know the things that go into adjusting and
Correct.
coming to terms with the whole setup.
Yeah.
है ना?
Right.
So I'm sure when you meet, then it is just the two of you. But when you marry, then it is not just the two of you. It is you along with the entire setup, the entire family
Absolutely.
dynamics, and all of that.
Rather, it is more of
The family.
the family and the
family
less of you.
dynamic,
Yeah,
है ना?
when you're in the John.
तो I'm sure challenging रहा होगा, है ना?
Correct.
So what did you do? क्या किया? How did you cope with this new dynamic, with this whole new way of living that you had to?
Initially, for me, it was very different because I got a very good lucrative job after my MBA. So I first of all I had to leave that and come home. So leaving a whole new dynamics, working in a full-fledged financial company, leaving that dynamics,
You
coming
were
home.
working when you got
Yes,
married?
I was working with Crisil in Bombay.
अच्छा, तो वो छोड़ा?
Yes, वो छोड़ा to get married. So that was a big change, and I was really appreciated at my work. So leaving that, coming home, and I knew nothing about the homely dynamic because I was never home. तो वहाँ से सब सीखना, अडेप्ट करना, how does a family work? You know, joint family का एक बहुत ही beautiful सा connection है wherein आपका family comes before yourself also. And then there are so many people with different mindsets, adjusting to all of them. उनको क्या पसंद है, उसके साथ साथ आपको क्या पसंद है, वो उन दोनों का डायनामिक रख के एंड कीपिंग एवरीबडी हैप्पी, मूविंग अहेड, ग्रोइंग टुगेदर, दैट वाज अ चैलेंज. बट या, सो माय फैमिली इज आल्सो वेरी वेरी सपोर्टिव. दे डिडंट नो हाउ अ डॉटर फील्स बिकॉज दे हैव 2 सन्स. तो वो उनका जो एक चेंज ऑफ, बट दे वर वेरी ओपन टू दैट ऑल्सो. दे वर वेरी, मतलब उनने मुझे एज अ डॉटर लिया and they were open to my feelings. Initially it was a little difficult to understand what a girl wants because they hadn't known that कि भाई 1990s 2000s की लड़की को क्या चाहिए. But once they started understanding, they adapted it so beautifully. थोड़ा प्लस माइनस करते 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 now we are where we are.
And what about the dynamics between the two of you? जो शादी से पहले होती है वो different होती है ना, but शादी के बाद definitely he would have also faced that, right?
Absolutely.
तो
Yes, so-
कैसे किया?
So of course it is very very different when you are in a courtship period and after getting married. Initial years I was very clear from the very beginning when we were dating also and when we were thinking of getting married that Mansi, this is how it is and you will have to cope up with these things. So everything was known to her before getting married. But then there's a difference between knowing and living it. Right. So when you actually come in the family and then the expectations are something which you're not used to. No doubt our family tried their best to support us in that. But initial 3-4 years were kind of a roller coaster for us. Getting on terms, Mansi getting on terms with what is expected from the family and a joint family. And I having approach of Mansi, this is what I had told you that this is what is going to happen. ये मैंने पहले ही बोला था कि ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ छुपा था तुमसे. But then I later on I realized, I think I would like to say that Ehsaas played a very very big role in this particular journey. So that was a turning point kind of in a relationship of ours. So there I really understood that it is not just about, like, I really remember one line from Ehsaas is, if you remember, there was a couple who at the end said that I go 5 steps and you come 5 steps. So it is always a relationship is that
Bridge.
You
you both take the efforts. But then at the end he said that I realized that why can't I go 10 steps? Okay, so to bridge that, it is not necessary that you come 5 steps, I come 5 steps. Why can't one go 10 steps who really wants that to work? And there I realized that yes, I think, see, now it's a big thing that she's left her family and come all over, right? We both loved each other, so it's not that it was only one-sided something. So valuing that, and then my perspective towards the entire relationship changed a lot. That's what is so excellent. Is we are very very happy with 2 beautiful kids and the family structure as it is. So my also I have been very clear that even Mansi for that matter has been very clear that we all want to stay together. So that thought of, I mean, there is no discussion of staying, मतलब वो thought ही नहीं आता है. तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात है कि वो तुमको पता है कि ये option नहीं है. So then you don't really go towards that, and then you know that this is the structure we want to stay in, then you do your best to maintain the relationship
Build
that way.
that
Build
structure
that structure.
and then take it forward.
And I think, I mean, you stay in a joint family where we are not talking just about one generation or two brothers staying. It's like three generations staying together. So I think that's a beautiful example that you are, living in that kind of a setup, and it's not a compromise. It is not a एक होता है ना आप मजबूरी में नहीं रह रहे हो. It is
बिल्कुल
by
भी नहीं.
choice.
It is by
So I
choice.
think that is
Absolutely.
when you live by choice in that structure, then I think you go an extra mile to make sure that it's a happy life, that it's a happy family that we're staying together.
Yeah, and
right?
we are 10 in a family right now. My grandfather, my parents, my brother and his wife, and me and Mansi. So,
And our children.
and
four
our children.
generations.
So
Four
four
generations.
generations together.
Not just three.
And actually, like I really feel that we are very lucky to have this kind of a setup, because nowadays we see that say only a couple is staying, their children are outside, abroad. So overall, the family structure is very, very. It's not very
It's
robust.
a little disoriented also, I think.
मुझे I would like both of you to talk more about the benefits of staying together like this, because I think बहुत सारे लोग disillusioned होते हैं या फिर they have their different understanding of what they feel that joint family is all about compromise or joint family is all about sacrifices, right? Maybe you can shed more light on the benefits of when you stay together. कि होता क्या है? ठीक है, कुछ चीजें होंगी जो आपको करनी पड़ती है compromise, but then if there is a bigger thing to it, then can we hold on to that bigger thing?
There are a lot of benefits, but I think me and Mansi both are kind of a personalities where we need people. We cannot stay alone.
Both of us are
Right?
extroverts.
Extroverts. So we need people moving around. Even if we are alone at home, parents have gone somewhere, or Rohit and Varalika has gone somewhere, and we are all by ourselves. Still, we don't really. We look forward to people coming back and staying together. So, and I think more, ma'am, on the what you see ना, आप जो देखते हो आपकी ऊपर की जनरेशन को करते हुए, वो नेचुरली आप में आ जाता है. सो वो कितना भी बताए तो वो नहीं आता है. So even today, suppose my grandfather is 89 and he is not keeping well. So we have a person for him for 24 hours. But still my father ensures that he sleeps with him every day. तो ये जो चीज़ें देखते हो ना, और जो दूसरे के लिए करने की इच्छा तुम्हारे मन में आती है ना, that becomes a very big foundation, strong foundation.
And
So when, see, the entire world is thinking about themselves. But in a joint family, that teaches you to live for others. And that is a very big lesson, because that way then everything, it gets reflected to your work, it gets reflected in your societal contributions कि आप दूसरों के लिए करने के लिए ये हो. So and of course other benefits are you अभी जैसे मैं we are here, our kids are home, right? And we went to Spain for 10 days, our kids were home, and they were taken care of, and we had absolutely, I mean, maybe a couple of times we must have called. That's it. In the entire 10
there were
days.
just 2 or 3 calls in a day. And the kids were absolutely fine. There was nothing like, oh, I'm getting bored or you've left me with somebody. They were at their home. They were at their comfort level.
In fact, they were like, Mama, आप और 2-3 दिन लो, आराम से आओ, कोई जल्दी नहीं है.
Yeah, so to add on to that, ma'am, आज के डेट में as mothers, I can contribute this, that joint family का सबसे बड़ा positive is that you know how to deal with every kind of a person, every kind of emotion within the security of your family. You don't really have to expose yourself to other unknown people and learn all these skills, which is so beautiful, because आपको टेंशन नहीं है कि आपका बच्चा कहाँ जा रहा है, किसके साथ जा रहा है, किस समय जा रहा है, and they are free. As my elder daughter went to the United Kingdom with the other people and we were home. So she has explored the world at the age of 8 with her grandparents, with her great grandfather. And we were home and she came and told me, Mama, ye dekha, wo dekha, we did this and that. So I don't have to send her to a hobby class or any other club to take or go on a trip and learn something. That she does within the family itself, and which is so organic. So you don't have to really take an effort and teach your children anything.
So joint family has so many people, everybody together, lots of hustle, right?
Absolutely.
So what do you do as a couple? What is your quality time as a couple, which is just for each other? Anything common, any couple goals, anything that you do together as a couple? क्या करते हो उसके लिए?
So we tend to do a lot of things together. Like जैसे for example we go for a morning walk कभी मन किया तो कभी ऐसे हम लोग दोनों ही बहुत ज़्यादा घूमने के
both
लिए
of you are fitness people या फिर travel people?
we are travel people.
We are travel
So
people.
we love traveling. We
Our
go
fitness
go
is
to a lot
very
of
different from each other. Though we are into fitness, we are very different from each other.
yeah.
So we are more adventurous. So we like to do adventures together. We like to
Acha.
explore new things together.
Because I remember you did a lot of scuba diving in
Yes.
Maldives, right?
Yeah,
Both
yeah.
of you together.
We did scuba. We did a lot of snorkeling also.
We did every sport possible.
We even did that boat के पीछे जो what was that?
Water, I don't
Some
know that.
sport, but yeah.
Some water sport.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but like जैसे we keep on discussing a lot of times that we should have a like right now we have a tribe couples group, right? So we should have a group of similar kind of age and 4-5 couples.
individuals.
But frankly, we don't find the time. I mean, हम लोग फिर वापस उसी पे आ जाते हैं कि यार ऑलरेडी जो है उस पे कमिटमेंट्स पूरी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So joint family also ensures that you are like empty mind is a devil's workshop, but you don't have an empty mind if you're in a joint family. There are relatives coming in. There are something or the other going on. Somebody's birthday, somebody's anniversary, some function. Like in our family, there's a lot of societal this thing also. We are linked to the religious side also very much. So there's a lot of things that go on that front also. So it's like moreover, it is like you said, it's difficult to find the me time. Yeah, but then we make it a point that some or the other way we try to this thing, and thankfully now we are at a state where we are also going roaming around. We are
Exploring the
a lot of
world, we are
lot of
exploring newer
places.
things also.
Of late, we have decided that we'll do one country at a time. So like 15-20 days, if you go, then your work gets affected, your everything gets disturbed. So we've decided that 8 to 10 days, one country at a time. So that way we are planning right now.
Very बढ़िया. So you are into you started after marriage.
Yes.
You tried your hands at doing something at Harvix, right?
Yes,
But then
I
you
did.
decided that this is not your cup of tea.
Absolutely.
है ना? So what made you take that decision? कि नहीं ये because normally ऐसा होता है ना कि business है, settled business है, and there is always a lot of work which we as owners can definitely pick up. There is no end to how much work can you pick up, right? And I have a lot of examples where wives have entered into the business and then they've actually overtaken everything which the man was handling. So you tried and then you said that this is not my cup of tea. So what made you take that decision? Or what was it that you felt कि नहीं, I need to do something on my own? Anything that you want to share on that?
So when I joined Hardnex, it was a comparatively smaller organization, and we were going into organizing that company into a private limited. So it was not completely structured at that time. When I joined the marketing side of it because तब तक marketing में कुछ major था नहीं. So we started developing the website and brochures and everything. But then since I am from a different state, Marathi became one hindrance for me. So I was not fluent with Marathi, and plus sitting in that cabin working only for the company's marketing side or one aspect did not really interest me. I tried my hand on finance, I tried my hand on marketing in the company, but then systems were set, and somewhere I understood that my contribution is not really making a difference. So if I don't go, there is no difference. And that is where I understood that okay, the company is already going on an auto mode, and giving in my inputs are not really adding value. So then I thought that and I had conceived my first daughter as well. So it was getting difficult going to the company. Plus, it wasn't adding value. So I had that urge of doing something wherein there was something to my name. I did not want to contribute and just क्या बोलते हैं, become invisible in an organization which was already running well. So that is when I was exploring new things. So there were instances when I said, okay, 5,000 a month wala job hai, theek hai, le lete hain. Those were the times when I was really exploring from zero. And I came across a friend who was into art direction, and he liked my thought process. So I am a writer by profession, and writing never came to me as a thought career option. It was just by accident that I came into writing. So my thought process with a friend matched, and he said, "Okay, I need some help in writing. Why don't you help me across?" And I said, "Okay, I can help." So I wrote an article for him, and he said, "I will edit it according to whatever are the norms." I said, "Okay, I'll help you out." So that I wrote that article, and he said, "It is so good that I'm going to publish it as it is. So why
So
don't you
then-
take up a job
So
with it?"
then you
Yes.
started your journey of content. And
Yes.
then you are fully into harness, and I'm sure it would be taking up a lot of your time. So you're able to balance both your work times and the kind of schedules that you have to match up with, because एक होता है ना कि maybe your work timings are different, yours are different, तो वो match हो जाता
So Mansi ka work timing is not fixed
हाँ.
because she's a freelancer.
Okay.
So many times it happens that अचानक से उसको बहुत सारा काम आ जाता है. She has to wake up till, I mean, she has to be awake till 2 in the night and complete her assignments, tasks. And I think it is working well because she's able to give time to the kids. She's able to focus on her work also. And work is something, I think she is also very happy in that space where work is not a continuous every day she has to work for 10 hours. She's happy working for, मतलब बहुत काम होगा तो 12 घंटे भी काम करना पड़ रहा है, but नहीं होगा तो 2 घंटे 3 घंटे काम कर रही है. So that flexibility is something she
at
craves
this point
for.
of time is very
When the
important.
kids very small and all of that.
Yeah, so she's able to manage best of both worlds. And like I get what do you call, I get a call from Mansi saying that अरे आज शाम को मुझे बहुत काम है तो तू जल्दी आ जाना ऑफिस से और बच्चों को खाना खिलाना, बच्चों के साथ स्पेंड करना. Yeah, so
That's nice.
yeah, so I think that helps. In fact, if you're both the timings are same, then it is a little difficult. It's the other way around.
Because both of you are absent then at the same time.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. So I think it is.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and again, your previous question about Harnex, Mansi at Harnex, I think wo, especially in a joint family and I think in a Jain family, it is more that वो एक ये हो जाता ना कि हाँ ठीक है अपनी घर की कंपनी है, राइट. सो कोई मेहमान आ गए, चलो आ जाओ.
फिर तो घर प्रायोरिटी है.
वो complacency भी आ जाती है.
कंप्लेसेंसी आ जाती है या ओवरऑल एक टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड होता है नेचुरली बाय ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी. So that was one reason. Second was she wanted her own identity, which I also agreed to, right? So because we both did MBA in finance, right? We were exploring that. I told her also that why don't you take up a what do you call, visiting faculty kind of this thing. You finance mein you have done an MBA, or maybe CRISIL Pune office, you already worked in Mumbai. You can ask them whether they can give you some kind of a flexible option. So those all things we explored, but then thankfully she came up with this thing, and where she got a freelancing opportunity, and now I think last 4 years you've been
7 years.
7 years. Last 7 years she's into writing.
I think ये बहुत अच्छा combination है ना. You have flexible timings, then you are able to give time to your children also. You're able to give time to yourself, and you get unique identity also. तो I think वो बहुत अच्छी balanced life आपको दे देता है. this
And
kind of,
अब ऐसा हो गया मैम, because I am so used to doing my freelancing work, I cannot fit into a 9 to 5 job. I don't want to. I'm very happy working. So you will see me working at 5 a.m. You will see me working at till 2 a.m. also. But I am not ready to fix for that 9 to 5 job every day.
बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Recently, Harnex touched a 3-figure mark as a turnover. I'm sure it must be a special feeling.
Yes.
And you are now 3 generations. So, वो feeling कैसी थी? I mean, yes, the journey must have been difficult. It is never easy to touch it for the first time. But I just want to know the feeling.
Yeah, it was a fantastic feeling. In fact, we were, every day we were checking what is the figure reached. And I think on 8th of March or 9th of March, it was in the afternoon, I was just refreshing the page. We have SAP implemented, so we were just refreshing, saying that when that figure is touching. And we wanted to keep it as a surprise for the entire organization. Everybody, more or less, salespeople knew about it. But then still we had planned a celebration in the afternoon, ordered a big 100 cake. And there are a lot of surprises planned for the team, some big announcements for the team, like we are implementing alternate Saturdays off. So the team was very eagerly waiting for it. So we announced that on the day which we touched the 3-digit figure. So that was the entire, so of course it was a very special feeling, and it has been a really journey where it's been a learning curve. And I think it's given a good foundation now to uh, towards the journey of a 4-digit figure.
क्या बात है, बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया. So he is a workaholic, है ना? He would be giving so much of time to Harness.
Yes.
How is he as a father? You have two beautiful daughters.
He is great. He is great. So both my daughters are glued to him. The moment he enters home, there is nobody they want to be with apart from him.
You jealous?
He cannot.
You're very, very jealous.
You're not jealous? Don't
No,
tell me.
I love it. I love it.
You love it?
Yes. अगर नहीं होता तो सोचिए मैम मुझे कितना टाइम देना पड़ता.
नहीं हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसा होता है ना that if any kid has shared something with me which Manish doesn't know, so he's like क्या हुआ he feels like FOMO होता है बहुत solid. तो
अभी
तुम्हें
they're
ऐसा
very
होता है
young
क्या?
to have secrets. तो अभी secrets तो नहीं है. They're all an open book. But they are so glued to him. He's not allowed to take phone calls. He's not allowed to talk to anybody else in the house. If he's talking, both of them are stuck somewhere on his body.
क्या बात.
So they are so glued to him and they're so elated to see him the moment he enters. That is bliss.
क्या बात. वैसे भी स्पेशल होता है father daughter
Yeah,
relationship, है ना?
Absolutely.
बहुत different होता है. Very.
In fact, the second child, I wanted a daughter.
हाँ.
I was clear that I want a second daughter.
अरे वाह. So nice. बढ़िया. Now I know that Harnex has got that sustainability award, green movement, and you are very particular about it. और मैं तुम्हें share कर रही थी तुम haunt करते हो मुझे मैं कुछ प्लास्टिक की बॉटल खरीदती हूँ तो, and I'm sure you have percolated that thought process within the family, within the organization. So just a few insights that you would like to share. That how did you go about it? What is the bigger purpose? I mean, एक सोच होती है ना, एक होता है ट्रिगर, वो ट्रिगर मुझे पता है, but you can still share. And then what did you do? कभी कभी लोगों के पास ट्रिगर होता है हाँ कुछ करना है, but then it is not translated into actionables. It is not translated into कि चलो what do we do in our day-to-day lives? So just a little bit of sharing on the trigger and then what did you do?
My sustainability journey started with CF जो हमारा ये meet होता था, तो उसमें we had invited Chrysalis has invited Ricky Cage, who is a Grammy Award winner and he mostly sings for the environment. So he's got his album was published by Shri Narendra Ji Modi in the United Nations. So that is his this thing. So during that entire speech of his, talk of his, he shared a story where he had been to an island that was the first island which is going to go below water because of global warming. And he said that the people staying there know that we are going to be the first to be submerged, but they did not contribute even 0.1% to the global warming phenomena. So at the end of the speech, a lot of people asked a lot of questions that what can we do to reduce the impact and this thing. So there were a lot of suggestions coming from his side and overall this thing. So I just decided, I don't know why, but I just decided that okay, let us start with at least a not using a plastic bottle. And since that day, I think it's been 5.5 years now. I think 5.5, 6 years, but since that day I have not used a single plastic bottle. So I have not purchased for myself and not for my family also. But trust me, it has not been that I had to be thirsty for the entire day or something like that. Nothing. I've traveled. I've gone to a Himalaya trek. I've gone to Germany. I've traveled to Switzerland. I've traveled Spain. I've gone so many places. In India also so many places, but nowhere I had to buy the plastic bottle.
Yeah, so not just internationally, but even in remote villages, we don't have to buy a plastic bottle. The water is such कि थोड़े दिन में पीते पीते your immunity becomes strong.
In
You
fact,
don't
yes,
really
it has
need
become,
a plastic bottle.
My immunity has become very strong that I can drink. मैं किसी भी ढाबे का पानी पी सकता हूँ. So I think that is, and rather nowadays I did not know about the harmful effects of the plastic, this thing, that it's carcinogenic or whatever, or microplastics for example. But that was the thought that started. और फिर वो 1 साल 1.5 साल में ऐसे जुनून सा बन गया कि चलो ओके, मतलब मैं आप मेरे सामने ला के रखो, मैं कितना भी प्यासा हूँ, गलती से भी नहीं पी सकता हूँ. अभी वैसे एक फिक्स ये हो गया है. So not only plastic, it then that particular thought went forward, and I think after COVID I saw that a lot of paper is being used. I think plastic कम हुआ और paper exponentially shoot हो गया, and that is creating a more dangerous thing. If you observe after COVID, the weather has become very vulnerable, more vulnerable. That is because the paper is being used at such a large scale, and usually I think awareness is a very big this thing. People are, like you said, that people are willing to contribute, but they are not aware of what we are actually doing. Like for example, we go in a restaurant, we take tissue papers, and there are used tissue papers. People think that this will be recycled, but if you logically think about it, those are going to go into the dustbin. It's going to go to the dumping ground, and nobody will care to recycle, pick it up and recycle it.
You
At least
can't
plastic has
recycle.
value. That's why it gets, in the unorganized way, it gets recycled somehow, right? But paper, this kind of, especially used tissue paper, cannot get recycled. You go in the washrooms nowadays, you see people
Toilet
pulling
paper.
out
Pulling
4,
it out.
5 at a time.
Yeah.
Okay, one you pull for yourself, that's fine, but 4, 5 at a time, because they are not aware what they are doing. So I think this entire thought led to me following in my own life, and then my family supporting me in that, and my company, people everywhere. Now that thought is spread. Like just a week back, I attended a wedding of Devendra, who is also a director in our company.
Okay.
So he had his own, he had a wedding in his house. So I went for that wedding, and for that entire wedding, there must be at least 600, 700 people. But Devendra did not keep a single plastic bottle there. So you imagine the impact, not to boast about myself, but I must have, because of this particular thought, if one person can save, say, 10,000 bottles till date, so then everybody adopts that kind of a thought, then it becomes a this thing, and then
It becomes a phenomenon. Na? It turns into a movement. Na? Dekho, ye
And that is how a
शुरुआत में
revolution
ऐसी
is
होती है.
made.
so
yeah.
so I'm happy
One
that
at
I'm
a time.
haunting people like you.
जबकि मैं इतनी conscious हूँ.
You are conscious, and
हाँ, तभी
see
भी.
that is the reason you are
है.
getting haunted,
हाँ.
because you are conscious.
Conscious
Otherwise, your conscience is not there, then you don't
हाँ,
care about using,
आपको
right?
hit ही नहीं होता है
And
ना वो.
I think आज की तारीख में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, because मैंने जैसे रेस्टोरेंट का एग्जांपल दिया, even the mat, the what do you call
The paper mat.
the paper
paper
mat.
mat,
हाँ.
that has become paper.
हाँ, वो reusable
वो
हो
सब
गया है वो.
सब कुछ
Plastic
reusable
होता
था पहले,
हाँ.
अभी सब कुछ use and throw हो गया
Use
है.
and throw हो गया.
So that is
आज के डेट में that disposable industry is become so big, be it the US, be it the Middle East or be it India, disposables इस level पे use हो रहे हैं that people are not realizing. Once plastic was a revolutionary idea because it saved paper and it saved trees. Then we came to a level wherein plastic became the deadly haunting
Devil.
वो
devil.
होता है ना yesterday's solution.
Yeah, yeah.
Come today's problem.
Correct,
Absolutely,
correct.
because then plastic was overused and अब उसको recycle नहीं कर. Now we are again coming back to paper, and because of which plastic का बंद कर रहे हैं, but then paper and tree कट रहे हैं. So the option
So I
to
think-
this
I think
is to
more-
use properly, है ना?
more everybody, if they think about minimalistic living, what is actually required, and can we do with it?
और थोड़ा सा convenience से ऊपर जाना
Convenience से ऊपर जाना
Convenience ले लो ना.
slightly.
हाँ, slightly
So it's
ले
not going to affect your life in a very big way, right? Like लेकिन
क्योंकि ना inconvenience है ना, हर जगह कपड़े का बैग लेके जाना, याद रखना, हर जगह स्टील की बॉटल, it is inconvenience.
Correct.
कितना easy है, अरे भूख प्यास लग रही है, खरीद लो, पी लो. That is convenience. So we have to go from little convenience to a little inconvenience. So फिर things can be sorted, and it is inconvenient.
but this thought has gelled well, because in overall in Jainism also it is taught to have a minimalistic life, right? Even our the gurus we follow live a very minimalistic life. They don't need anything. Paper plastic तो बहुत दूर की बात है, बहुत ही कम इसमें उनका गुजारा होता है. So that thought has gelled well with the entire thought process, and that has continued. Like in our factory, you mentioned that we got a Green Factory Award. Last couple of years consecutively we've got that award, and the main reason is because of actual sustainable practices. Many people do it just for the sake of glorifying it,
Glorifying.
but you will find so many small initiatives taken in our plant. It can be maybe a sensor for the saving the electricity, okay, wherever there are common areas. It can be for rainwater harvesting, but even if we are cleaning the solar panels, the water which comes is fed to the garden. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती है ना, ये बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट करती है. और पूरी, और आई बिलीव कि टीम आपसे ज़्यादा उसके बारे में कॉन्शियस हो जाती है अगर वो लोग उसमें है. सो वी हैव अ ग्रीन क्लब in our company which is around 10-12 people, and like-minded people who are thinking just like I am, right? And they take a lot of initiatives over the year where they spread awareness. We planted 211 trees last year, and these all things are not made mandatory by the government or somebody is telling us they do that. It is coming from within.
ISO सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए नहीं
It
कर
is
रहे
coming
हैं
from within. So वो बहुत बड़ा impact. और जो हम लोग team bonding, culture building की बात करते हैं ना, these all things build the culture by default. We don't have to do anything for it. So I'm
ऐसा नहीं है ना कि टीम बॉन्डिंग के लिए अलग एक्टिविटी करनी है, सोशल इनिशिएटिव अलग करना है. दिस इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल वे टू क्रिएट दैट काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट.
yeah, it's fantastic.
And sustainability is so beautiful. It does not just affect one person or just a team. It affects the entire society. अगर आप ये चीज़ अपने लिए करें, just as far as drinking water is concerned, or anything, living a minimalistic life is concerned, it shows, that glow shows on your face. That is what you do for yourself. Then as far as the family is concerned, when the family works towards it, it shows in your family, it shows in your organization. So sustainability in itself is so beautiful that it will show results, it will reap results, and that is something that will actually spread out to the entire society, and probably global warming से भी हम आगे जीत पाएं.
At Harnex, like we talk about living for a bigger purpose, right? So these all things have really made the people feel that we are a part of this company, and this company is living a bigger purpose, that they are contributing towards the society in a big way. So be it sustainability or giving back, we have 3 clubs, like Green Club, Social Club and Health and Sports Club. So Social Club is purely, and that, trust me, last year Social Club ने जो activities की थी, we have assigned a budget to it, to the Green Club, to the Social Club and this thing. So जो भी activities की थी, I was part of only 1 out of 7 activities they did, right? Because I did not have the time. But they themselves chose किस अनाथ आश्रम में जाना है, किस वृद्धाश्रम में जाना है, कहाँ पे कौन सी जिला परिषद स्कूल में जाना है, वहाँ पे रेनकोट और अम्ब्रेला डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना है बिफोर द रेनी सीजन. ये सब चीज़ें उन्होंने की. सो उनको ऐसे था ना कि ये मतलब इससे पहले भी हम लोग करते थे, लेकिन पर्सनल लेवल पे करते थे. बट वी थॉट दैट सी एनीवेज वी आर डूइंग इट ऑन अ पर्सनल लेवल. Why not involve company people and make them do it? Because it is ultimately it is their hard-earned money, which we assign a budget and they take. उनके पास पूरा freedom है of choosing how to spend that budget, and they are doing it wonderfully.
और आपके रिपल्स फैल गए, आपकी फैमिली तक थे, अभी परिवार में चले गए, कंपनी में चले गए. कंपनी वाले कहाँ जाते हैं,
Yes,
कहाँ लेके जाएंगे उसको.
it is affecting 500 families that are working with us,
And I think that's
and
the
their
most
relatives.
beautiful thing.
Yeah, one more example I'd just like to give. हमारे कंपनी के बाहर एक चाय वाला है, चाय की टपरी है. सो उसको हम लोगों ने स्ट्रिक्टली मना किया है कि तेरे पास पेपर और प्लास्टिक में तू चाय नहीं देगा. ओके, उसको वी हैव गिफ्टेड वन मशीन टू हिम विच इज स्पेशली फॉर क्लीनिंग द ग्लासेस. So कांच के glasses. So that machine must have cost 30-35,000 rupees. So that machine we have gifted him, saying that तेरे यहाँ पे प्लास्टिक पेपर नहीं दिखना चाहिए. So चाय वाले के लिए बनी है मशीन, और वो it had come to Shark Tanks also, कि वो particular product. So now it is on a pilot stage. If we get successful, we'll do the same thing in our Pithampur plant also. And as a social activity, we'll maybe donate it to 10 different.
And maybe people listening here can actually pick it up.
Yeah.
और लोगों को देना चाहिए ना.
Yeah, so because see again, it is common sense. गरम चाय आप प्लास्टिक में लो. Plastic is so thin. Even if it is paper cup, paper के cup के तो और dangerous है because it is the thinnest film. And unless there is plastic, paper cannot hold this thing. It is carcinogenic. It is proved. Still people are because of convenience. So you imagine in the name of hygiene and convenience, you are inviting cancer. So it is such a
नहीं पिएंगे, पता नहीं किसका है. अरे भाई इंसान ही है वो, ये तो बिल्कुल बाहर की चीज है ना. प्लास्टिक है, पेपर है.
And that enters your body and it it is
कोई एक
carcinogenic.
रिसर्च आया था कि क्या साल भर में एक अमेरिकन जो है ना, एक क्रेडिट कार्ड जितना प्लास्टिक
खाता
है.
है.
एक क्रेडिट कार्ड जितना प्लास्टिक वो खाता है in a year, 1%.
Correct.
That is huge.
And nowadays what you see the health effects, आप इतने जल्दी एज में कितने लोगों को हार्ट अटैक देख रहे हो, कैंसर देख रहे हो. somewhere I think these all things must be contributing in some way.
But I think that's a beautiful thing that we both are doing at the company level, at the family level. And it was a pleasure talking to both of you, listening to both of you.
Thank
and
you
I'm
so
sure
much.
जो भी सुनेगा, they will also have so many things to take away from this whatever candid conversation.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
For being
And it's a wonderful initiative you've taken to make people like us reach the
वो
reach
जितना
Masses.
your
है ना,
audience.
everybody has lots of stories.
Yeah,
है ना?
yeah.
So why not? And the whole idea was that can these stories be made to be heard by a lot of people? क्योंकि कौन कहाँ से क्या ले लेता है ना, you never know. और
Yeah.
कभी कभी सीखना भी नहीं होता है, कभी कभी वो सुन के ही अच्छा लगता है ना. से कभी कभी आप कनेक्ट करते हो कि अच्छा इसका भी चैलेंज है तो मेरा भी चैलेंज है. कभी लगता है हाँ, you just feel good listening to something.
You understand that a lot of people are sailing in the same boat. या तो कोई अगर आगे चला गया है तो वो क्या एक चीज थी जो उसको आगे ले गई है. Probably you can learn or
So
you
I
can
thought,
just identify.
This is a wonderful way to listen to stories, to share stories, and then I have wonderful people like you. who
Thank you
come
so
over, give
much
me
for
time.
having us,
Yes.
ma'am. It was a
Thank you.
pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.